What if the Earth stopped spinning suddenly? The catastrophic consequences no one saw coming. Close your eyes for a second and imagine this. You wake up, step outside, and something feels off. The sky looks strange. The air is eerily still. Then, you realize, the Earth has stopped spinning. No more sunrises, no more sunsets. Just a frozen moment in time. Sounds like the plot of a doomsday movie, right? But what if it actually happened? What would the immediate and long-term effects be? Buckle up, because we are about to explore one of the most terrifying what-if scenarios imaginable. Why does Earth spin in the first place? Our planet rotates at 1,000 miles per hour, 1,600 kilometers per hour, at the equator. This spin gives us day and night, stabilizes our climate, and even shapes our oceans and winds. Without it, life as we know it wouldn't exist. But what if, in an instant, it just stopped? The immediate disaster. A planet in chaos. If Earth's rotation suddenly halted, physics would go haywire. Here's why. 1. Everything not nailed down would keep moving. Thanks to inertia, the tendency of objects to keep moving unless stopped, anything not bolted to the ground, cars, buildings, people, would keep flying eastward at 1,000 miles per hour. Imagine skyscrapers toppling, oceans sloshing over continents, and entire cities being wiped out in seconds. It'd be like a global earthquake mixed with a hurricane, on steroids. 2. Gravity would feel way stronger. Earth's spin creates a slight outward force that counteracts gravity. If rotation stopped, gravity would instantly increase, making you feel heavier. Walking would feel like wading through wet concrete. Even breathing could become a struggle. 3. The atmosphere would go berserk. The air around us moves with the planet. If Earth stopped, 1,600 kilometers per hour winds would scour the surface, stronger than any tornado ever recorded. The sheer force would strip away landscapes, uproot forests, and reshape continents in hours. Long-term nightmares. A planet transformed. After the initial apocalypse, things would only get worse. 1. One side eternal day, one side eternal night. Without rotation, one half of Earth would bake under endless sunlight, turning into a scorching desert, while the other half would freeze in permanent darkness. The only habitable zone? A thin twilight strip where temperatures might be survivable. 2. Oceans would migrate to the poles. The centrifugal force of Earth's spin keeps water distributed around the equator. If that stopped, oceans would flood toward the poles, leaving vast new deserts where seas once were. Weather would become unpredictable, and deadly no rotation means no Coriolis effect, the force that shapes hurricanes and ocean currents. Storms would become erratic, food chains would collapse, and ecosystems would unravel. Could humanity survive? Honestly? Probably not. Infrastructure would be obliterated. Agriculture would fail without stable seasons. Extreme temperatures and violent winds would make shelter nearly impossible. The few survivors would cling to life in the twilight zone, struggling to adapt to a world that no longer follows the rules we know. Final thoughts. A stark reminder: this scenario might seem like sci-fi, but it's a powerful reminder of how delicate Earth's balance really is. Our planet's rotation isn't just a cool fact, it's the reason life exists at all. So, what do you think? Could humans endure if Earth stopped spinning? Or would this be the ultimate doomsday event? Drop your theories in the comments. And if this mind-bending what if blew you away, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more epic science content. See you in the next video.